Open Document Spreadsheets, Basic Formatting. Here we have a workbook with 5 worksheets. The data on most of the worksheets can be fitted onto one page, but on the first quarter worksheet, the data will take 2 pages. To format the page, select File and go to Page Preview. The tools for dealing with the page formatting are in this bar. We can see different pages by clicking the Next Page or Previous Page buttons. Select First Page. Note that the name of the worksheet appears on the status bar. Go to the next page. This is also part of the first worksheet. Click on the next page. This is the second quarter. Go back to the first page. Use the zoom in and zoom out buttons to increase or reduce the amount that can be seen. There are 3 ways to deal with the problem of data not fitting onto one page. Firstly, we can use the scaling factor. We can reduce the scaling until the data can be seen. Let's undo that so that we can look at the other options. The second option is to click on the Margins button. This will allow us to drag the margins to make them smaller, or change column widths if necessary until the data can be seen. Let's undo that so that we can look at the third option. Select Format Page. This will probably give us the quickest and the best way to change the way that the page is formatted. Change to Landscape. Click on OK. Now all the data can easily be seen, and column widths can still be adjusted if necessary. Select Format Page again. We can also add borders if necessary on this tab, and we can add a header or a footer. To add a header, first turn the header on, then select Edit. Choose the left, center or right area of the header and choose what must be added, such as a sheet name or a page number or a date. Let's add a date. Select Date. Click on OK. Select Footer and turn the footer on. We want to edit the footer. Select the center area and add a page number. Click on OK. When all the changes have been made, click on OK. As soon as the page has been correctly formatted with the headers and footers, close the preview. To format the data in one or more cells, first select the cells. Use the formatting toolbar to change to bold and change to a different font if necessary. Change the font size and change the font color. To change only some of the data in a cell, first select the cell and then select the data to be changed. Make the necessary changes and click on Accept. Select Sales. Right-click in the cell and select Format Cells. On the font page, choose a different font. Such as Comic Sans MS. Select Bold and change the font size. On the Font Effects page, change the font color and select a different type of relief such as embossed or engraved if necessary. In the underlining menu, choose double underlined. For the underline color, choose a different color. Select a color that will go well with your chosen color. Select OK. The font size can also be adjusted on the formatting toolbar. If the effects can't be seen, double-click to increase the row height.